have a high trust type of business, or maybe you have a business that is a little bit more complicated and a little bit more challenging to explain. If you have a high trust or a complicated to explain business, then doing business through relationships and through referrals is a key to success, in my opinion. I believe that those specific types of businesses can really benefit from those longer term business relationships. So I'm Maile Collmer, and I'm the owner of Asentiv here in Contra, Costa. I'm a business consultant specializing in business development through relationships. And I just spoke to a company earlier today, trained their entire Northern California sales team, and they have a complicated business to explain, and they are totally invested in building relationships with other folks in the local business community, because they understand and know that when we build those long-term business relationships, it's easier to get those referrals and get the type of business that you're looking for when you have something that's a little bit harder to explain. When we have relationships that we build over time, we get to know each other really well. We get to know each other's businesses really well, and we see what are the benefits, what are the advantages of working with one another, and it makes it so much easier to refer that person because you have that in-depth personal and business relationship. Same with a high trust business. If there's a lot of trust needed in order to utilize your service, then getting referrals and introductions from people who know you a long time, you have that trust, and then the people that they know to introduce you to, they have a trusted long-term relationship with them. It makes that referral and that introduction so much easier because the trust is there. The trust has been established, and that trust will transfer from that person you know a long time to the person they know a long time, and then it transfers to you. So if you're in a high trust or a business that is a little bit harder to explain, build those long-term business relationships, because over time it's going to be easier and easier to get those referrals and get in front of the ideal clients that you really want to serve. So that's my tip for today. Think about building those longer term relationships, and I've got a lot more for you. If you're interested in learning more, I have a lot of great ways to interact with me, including a referral bootcamp coming up. So check out my website, contracosta.asentiv.com, or give me a call. I'm sure my information is right here. So have a great Friday.